Alright, so we're gonna put a fire pit in the yard. There's a kit at Lowe's, and then we're gonna add stone to it. And pretty excited about it. Keep watching the progress. Alright, we're working on the fire pit area. Digging that out. There's the gravel that's gonna be in the seating area. Showed you some of this earlier, so that'll be a review. So making some progress. I'll update you. All right, got this dug out, all in the topsoil, sod off, and we gotta level it out. So the ducks were curious when I'm walking up here, and they ran away. But anyway, we're laying the pavers out in the outer circle to kind of figure out the high spots and the low spots, and then we'll go in and we'll level this out. There's going to be a natural slope just the way the land is, also to help for any kind of runoff and drainage. And then, like I showed you earlier, the pea gravel will be in the seating area. We'll be using these Adirondack chairs. So, man, we did about 10 wheelbarrows of topsoil sod removal today, so we're kind of gassed. But we'll keep showing you the progress. All right, we're kind of laying it out again before we start doing some leveling. Say hey to puppy. This will have stone around it. We're going to take a little bit of material, move it. Again, it's got a, sorry for the cicadas, it's got a natural slope to it, but this peat gravel will help once we get all that in as far as giving some level surface. But you know, we're going to work this dirt in here and make sure we have this level. All right, so we're working on the ring. Had to cut down a little bit. Ed's tamping it, and we'll try to get it as level as possible and then test fit the ring. So a couple day project. All right, see you after a while. So this is the critical part, making sure everything's level. Even though this has a natural slope, this needs to be level so the fire pit doesn't look like a off-kilter chimney. So Katie's going in every couple stones, leveling, going around, then we'll build up. Working on the final touches. All right, so she's all done. 2 full days. A lot of work. Thanks to Ernie for all the trips to Lowe's, Katie and Papa Bear for doing the grunt work. So we'll have a good time this fall hanging out. Thanks for watching. Everybody give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, get me to 1,000. I'm just hovering. Help me out. Take it easy.